know. It is AsyaMonique, and I look really crazy right now. You wanna know why? Because I am bringing you today a new product that I'm so excited to introduce. It is really, really dope, you guys. So half my face is done. I definitely wanted to showcase this. I did a little recreation, and on this side we are going to reflect. Of course, we're gonna bring this beautiful side on over to this side. If you are new to my channel, of course, what I want you to do is go ahead and press that like button. You're back, you're here, you're with me. So just go ahead and press that like button. I mean, what's there not to like? But if you're looking at me and you've been here before, you notice that I have something delicious on my eyes. Something that I've honestly never, ever tried before, because I'm so used to like my Ulta lashes, my Kiss lashes, my dramatic Kiss lashes, like the wispies and everything like that. Well, I stepped out of the box and I have MINK hair, ladies, on my lids. Yes, on my lids. On my lashes, you guys. I have 3D MINK hair, and I will be getting a little bit into depth with these lashes a little bit later, but these lashes are so beautiful. As you can see, they definitely make this look, and you know, it just takes this look to a whole nother level. So this is a Glam, full out Glam dramatic eye look with dramatic lashes. I mean, why not be extra, right? Right. So we are going to jump in. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye, and we're gonna finish this face, and then we're gonna go ahead and talk about the lashes, because the lashes, y'all, they're bomb. I'm just really gonna go ahead and say that right now. But I really love these lashes, so shout out to QueenKayCollections. You guys are killing the lash game right now. This is from their new 2019 collection, you guys. So if you want to know more, of course I'm gonna link everything down below. We're gonna get more into depth with how I feel about these lashes and how I think they work for me, how I think they look on me, yada 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 yada. I mean, I really kind of give it away because I really like it, and it's really different. So boop. Of course, if you want to know more, then keep on watching. Anyways, all video I will be using the box of crayons, the crayon case products, of course. You know, we have the matte book, we have the box of crayons, and we have our doe color brushes, which are my personal favorite at the moment. Doe color brushes do me right. Hello, been working on my blends and it's getting better. So everything we're using in this book is definitely going to be crayon case. So again, if you want to learn and see how I'm doing this little full glam with my QueenKayCollection lashes, then y'all better keep on watching. Keep on watching. Press the subscribe button while you're at it. You're already here. You're already looking at me. You're already watching me. Support me, boo. I mean, welcome to the team. We cool. See you in a bit. Okay, you guys. So we starting off with this beautiful purple color from the crayon case, of course, the box of Crayons Palette. So I'm just blending that upward with this other hot pink color from the crayon case palette as well. I love these two shades together. I'm still working on my blending, guys. Do not ding me for that. And my lighting was horrible, but that's okay. So I'm going in with my Photo Face and my Pro Concealer from LA Girl. LA Girl is the shade Creamy Beige, and Photo Face by Ardell is the shade 4.5 Medium. I love mixing these two together to get the perfect consistency for my cut crease base, you guys. Ardell Photo Face is the bomb, and it's a dupe for P. Louise, which is dope. I don't have P. Louise, but everyone said this is the perfect dupe, and I'm gonna have to test that theory out for myself and order some P. Louise, because that's really popular when it comes to cut creasing and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys, these two together are bomb. So now I'm going in with the matte book from the crayon case, and I'm putting this white shadow down. It adds a lot of dimension to this cut crease look, which I love so much. And that hot pink shade was from the matte book as well, so there you go. And now we're going back into the box of Crayons palette with this beautiful super pigmented yellow. It is so amazing, y'all. So as you guys seen in the beginning of the video how flexible these lashes were, that always comes in handy. You don't want stiff lashes. I mean, who likes stiff lashes? I don't like stiff lashes. If you like stiff lashes, you got problems, because these are perfect. You see the packaging is cute, has a clear case with a glittery background, and they were a little bit too long, so I did have to cut them. I don't have big eyeballs. Granted, if you do have big eyes, these will look even more bomb on you. So yeah, I did have to cut them a little bit, but that was no problem. As you can see, these lashes fit this look really well, and these lashes will even go bomb with a wing. I'm a wing girl. I love when I do my natural looks with just a wing. These lashes will go perfect. Top bun, top ponytail, like cute straight hair, just a wing eyeliner. You don't even have to put a dramatic eye look on. You can just do a wing, and these will look so bomb. I see some of my favorite beauty influencers wearing big lashes like this, so this definitely put me on game. Okay, y'all, so everything is literally put together. These lashes are really bomb. It's really like right here, like I can't see, but I know that after I see, I mean, it is what it is. We know they're really dramatic lashes. You get really grade A, and I say grade A because I really mean it. You get grade A 3D mink hair. 3D, y'all. You see this? 3D. So if you're a person who loves a dramatic finish after a look, these are the lashes for you. If you love long, wispy, free lashes that are just like carefree, then these are definitely for you. If you're not a person who loves a cake face, if you're not a person who does not like crazy lashes, if you're just subtle and you just want to like, okay, I'm just going on a date type look, then these lashes are. Of course, I'm gonna be taking pictures and stuff like that, but I just wanted to do a little eye look to go with these lashes. Dramatic eye for dramatic lashes, why not? It's really beautiful. So if you guys want to know what I used, I did use the Crayon Case products. I used the matte book and the box of Crayons Palette, of course, and the Countorsition notebook. Everything about these lashes will be right here below me. If you do have any questions, of course, again, everything will be linked down below. QueenKayCollections by Michaela Pruitt. I really think this is amazing. Another young lady having a successful business is always what we need in this community. I really would appreciate it if you guys, you know, show this young lady some support. She has a bomb lash collection, and she has a lot more to come for you guys. And I love her slogan on her card. It says, "Bring out the queen in you." If you guys want to email her about anything, of course, I'm going to link it down below. Just like I said, and her website, I will link it down below. I'm going to be testing these out. I'm going to be wearing them for a couple hours just to let you guys know how I like them. And I've had them on for a while because when you're recording, you're doing a whole bunch of stuff. I already stopped to eat. It's already been like almost 3 hours, okay? Like, I'm serious. It's already been 3 hours. They do not feel heavy on my eyes, which I really love. I love these lashes because they don't feel heavy. I've tried heavier ones before and it just wasn't my taste. It just wasn't for me. It just wasn't for me. I'm just gonna be honest. But these are lightweight. The band is not thick. I do not like thick band lashes. Again, when I do go natural, I'm with the kiss, honey. I stick with the kiss when I'm going natural. Just a wing, whatever, boom. Some looks, kiss, lashes, Ulta lashes. That's what I do. But for these ones, they're super flexible. They are amazing quality. They're soft, and it's just a really great, it's just a really great grade of 3D mink hair on your lashes. Come on now. All y'all dramatic beauty queens out there, I know y'all gonna want to take a look at these lashes because, baby, I'm flying with the wind and I really love them. So thank you so much, QueenKayCollections, for this collaboration. I really appreciate it. You guys, shop to your drop. Shop to your drop. Shop to your drop. They're super, the band is super flexible. The band is not thick. I'm not a fan of a thick band. I don't want so much weight on my eyes. Given the fact that these are really like out there and like really flowy and really big, I don't mind it because it's not bothering me. I cannot feel it on my eyes. I can see it. I can see it a little bit, but I can't feel it. That's the beauty of it. Anytime you have a lash, you don't want to feel what's on your eyelid. You want it to just come natural, and these come natural, and I really appreciate that. And the quality is amazing. Again, quality is definitely amazing, you guys. So this is my look for today. I will incorporate some pictures in this video. I really hope you guys like today's look. I'm trying to squint as much as possible so you guys can see my eye looks. I incorporated some white, some yellow, some hot pink, some purple. Is it me, or is one eye is always better than the other? This eye is always sometimes better than this eye. Like these colors stood out a little bit more than this eye, but it's all good because it really looks cute. So pictures will be coming soon, and y'all know I gotta do a dramatic exit. I'm gonna finish my Qdoba. And again, definitely check out these lashes again, y'all. You guys are not gonna be disappointed, I promise you. Especially for, let me take this jacket off. Whew, get comfortable. For all my girls out there who loves a dramatic look, you are not gonna be disappointed. And you know why? Because as a first time dramatic eyelash user, I'm not disappointed. And this is raw. This is total honesty. This is honesty. I'm definitely gonna be using these again. I'm definitely gonna be using them again. They go good with this look, and I'm floored, y'all. I'm really floored. So again, if you love lashes, click the link below. You know what's up. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and before you leave, just click that subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Support your girl. Support me.